Having trouble scanning the QR code on WhatsApp Web? You're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through quick and effective solutions to fix the WhatsApp Web QR code not scanning issue. You can see when I try to scan the QR from my mobile phone to WhatsApp Web, then I am not able to log in to WhatsApp Web. You will get your device could not link due to sync issue. So best solution is you just reload the same page by clicking on gear icon at the top. Now try scanning again and you should be able to log in WhatsApp Web. If that does not work, then you can simply log out linked WhatsApp Web from your mobile phone. For this, go to Settings and then click on Linked Devices. Then tap on your device where you have used WhatsApp Web. Then click on Log Out. Then after that, try scanning WhatsApp Web with QR code and you should be able to log in. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.